We are on to Tab 2. On Tab 2, you will be explaining your planning process and your annual student outcome goals. We remind you that you will be addressing only 2 goals for your RAMP application, even if your program chose more goals than that during your planning year. One of those goals must be your Closing the Gap goal, but both goals will ask you to have a systemic focus, thinking through if there are policies, procedures, or practices that create or maintain inequities relevant to your chosen goals. Once again, please remember throughout the application that you must protect student identity by making sure you do not include identifiable student information. Just a reminder, you will want to check out the most recent rubric before you begin any of the required tabs. You should be able to do that by clicking on the View Rubric button on the upper right-hand corner in each tab of your application. If that does not work, then you can download the rubric from the RAMP homepage. You will see on tab 2 two different required templates, both of which need to be downloaded. First, click on the School Data Summary report icon in your RAMP Ready account in our system. Then copy the information and paste it into the ASCA template. Once you have done that, you will need to upload your completed template into tab 2 of your ASCA RAMP application. Next, click on the Annual Student Outcome Report icon in your RAMP Ready account. You will need to copy the information and paste it into the ASCA form located on tab 2 of your ASCA RAMP application. Remember that ASCA changes their templates from time to time, so please be sure you are reading carefully as you transfer your information from the report you created with us to their form on the application. Also remember that you'll be asked to discuss a systemic focus, thinking through if there are policies, procedures, or practices that create or maintain inequities relevant to your chosen goals. As on every tab, you will be given the opportunity to answer a reflection question. Remember, this is where you are to provide context and more in-depth information. For example, explain stakeholders' perceptions of your school counseling program and how you believe you can impact those perceptions with these goals. Finally, you'll be given the option, as in every tab, to upload supporting documentation. We suggest in tab 2 that you consider sharing raw data from any supplemental data surveys you conducted, such as Panorama, universal screeners, stakeholder interviews, etc. And as always, I'm here to help if you get stuck or just need someone to help you think things through. Give me a text, call, or email, and I'll get back to you quickly.